this is a very critical thing. Continuity is the most critical thing for any business, and that is so is this for InvIT as well. So as a part of that, what we have done is, as a part of the formation transaction, we have got 7 assets in this InvIT from GR Infra. And then 23 more assets, InvIT has got a ROFO with GR, where as and when these assets will get constructed, it will come to InvIT. So as we say right now, pipeline is 7 plus 23 assets pipeline. And we also have one agreement with GR under this ROFO that next 5 years, whatever assets GR Infra will construct under their road segment, InvIT will have a ROFO on that as well. So what we are talking about is not only 7 plus 23, 30 assets, plus we are also talking about next 5 years, whatever GR Infra will develop, under their road segment, InvIT will have a ROFO on that. That is one part of it. And as a second part, basically, we are also looking at buying assets from market, which are third-party assets, non-GR assets. And there we see a good opportunity because just to give you data, right now, as we speak, NHI has awarded almost 420, 430 odd HAM assets. And, even if you do the 50% of that, that is, there with the, large developers, still, we see an opportunity of at least 150, 200 assets, which, this InvIT can explore and buy. Maybe, we can pick and choose and we can buy. So I think there's a decent pipeline, there's decent opportunity to grow, add asset to this InvIT platform. So from a growth perspective, I don't see any challenge. Yeah.
Right, but to that point about the NHAI, which is the National Highways Authority of India, the order flow from there has not been that strong. In fact, I'm looking at how the order pipeline for the infrastructure sector has been tepid during the quarter gone by because of low orders coming in from NHAI. So what's your outlook on how that can pick up? You quoted a number of 420 crores roughly, I think. Can it be more? Can it be less?
420,
what's it?
420, what I mentioned was number of assets, which are the projects
Number
NHAI
of
awarded.
assets, sorry. My bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you think that's what's the benchmark there in terms of the flow coming in for FY25?
Yeah, so I think this 420 is a put together number which NHAI has awarded, say, over the last 5-6 years. In terms of, if you see the overall NHAI award over the last 4-5 years, generally it has been in the range of around, say, 1.25 to 1.5 lakh crores. And that's why if you see, basically this year also in budget, this interim budget rather, your allocation from Ministry of Finance to MoRTH is almost same as the last year, almost just 2% higher. So what we see that, of course, awarding this year from NHAI has been a little tepid. Yeah, we agree to that. Reason being this also being a, election year. But at least we have seen in the last 2-3 weeks, we have seen a good 15-20, I think maybe 20-25 projects awarded by NHAI. We see more projects awarded for this fiscal end. However, of course, whatever the shortfall for this year,
complete your point and then,
we can basically, see that incremental pie maybe, in the next year, which is FY25.